Hi guys, today at Car Motorhomes in Limerick we've received a Rapido i96 distinction model and I'm just going to go through some of the features. This vehicle is based on a 4.4 tonne Alco chassis. It's automatic with alloy wheels together with a reversing camera. This vehicle travels and sleeps 4 people with the side facing seats. It really lends itself to quite a lot of space in the front of the vehicle, and also the split table allows easier access in and out to the passenger and driver seat. In this motorhome you have an L-shaped kitchen which consists of a decent sized sink and a 3-ring hob. Like that, you also have 3-pin socket USB connections which are very popular. You also have an oven and grill together with drawers that are on an easy lock system. The control panel in this motorhome will indicate your battery levels together with your fresh water and your wastewater tank. Also, the heating system is TrueMap iNet ready, and it will operate off of gas and electric. Located on this side of the vehicle you have your TV point and AES large fridge freezer underneath. This is a height adjustable island bed. The height adjustment gives you additional garage space underneath. A little feature again that Rapido have put in the distinction range is that they've added a USB connection and a 12-volt connection just here in the little pocket, so quite handy for charging mobiles, etc. during the night. You have a separate toilet and shower in this vehicle. Here in the bathroom area you have a Thetford swivel top toilet. The height adjustment gives you additional garage space.